Hey guys, and welcome to another episode on Overland Garage, and we are going up north to East Hancock, or what we call the Unknown Lakes. And this is trip 2 of the year. I'm super excited to finally just get out there and do it again. The weather is like 75 degrees and I'm looking forward to it. So thanks for watching Overland Garage. And as a side note, I've got Mandy, Jess, and Emmy along today. And Mandy is super happy in the passenger seat. What do you think, Mandy? You ready to go camping? We didn't make it too far and I'm already having a little bit of an overheating issue. Hopefully it's just a coincidence of me sitting in traffic for a while, but yeah, she's running at just over 210 idling, and that's not good, so we're gonna play it by ear and see what happens. So our first fuel up, we've had some issues with the overheating today. It's like 80 something degrees. Really strange for September, but we're all fueled up, snacked up, ready to keep driving. So hang in there, guys. What do you think, Mandy? Do you like the trip so far?
Why, yes I do.
Really? What do you think, huh? Woo! What a long journey this is turning into. Back roads for days. I hear voices. That's a big 10-4, little buddy. Me too. Mandy? Is this trip wearing on you? What a good puppy! What a good puppy! What a good puppy!
Is this it?
We are here.
And no one else is.
That's right.
Where do you want me to park?
Well, we made it. I'll give you guys a better scope in the morning of what we're looking at here, but I think you're gonna love it. 4.5 hours later, we are here. Morning, guys. So it's bright and early on Sunday morning. Beautiful September Sunday. But we got in late, well, like 8 o'clock last night. It was kind of dark though. But we are at the unknown lakes. So it's unknown. But anyways, I wanted to kind of give you guys a little peek at what our little piece of heaven here is. I mean, this is our campsite this morning, and I mean, it's absolutely incredible. But we're gonna start cooking breakfast here in a minute and do a little drone footage for you. So, looks like we're cooking some bacon soup and eggs surprise over here, and we got on the grill over here sausage or kielbasa, I don't know, one or the other. Kielbasa. That's what breakfast is like this morning. Emmy's over there playing in the chair. I don't know what she's doing, but keep an eye on her later, I guess. So what was that story about the bears?
So last night we heard something and I was like, what was that noise? We just heard some rustling around and we came down to some bears playing poker and they had Ben's wallet. But we got rid of them. Ben chased them off.
Yeah. I think the weather is making us delirious, but yeah. Some interesting stories that we've come up with and concocted along the way, but that's part of the camping adventure. Mandy, come here. You sunbathing? sunbathing, huh? I see how it is. Look at that. Came out good. Good job, Jessica. So it's, let's see, 4 o'clock? 3:30 on Sunday afternoon, and we're just getting ready to head out. And we had a good trip, and I hope you guys enjoy the content. Don't be afraid to throw a like and a subscribe down there, and keep getting out there and exploring. But this has been Overland Garage, and I thank you guys for tuning in. So until next time, let's just continue to build and explore.